Hello.
Yes.
Today we'll see the like which to mock test questions. Okay. Are you able to hear me?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes,
Why
sir.
there are very few members in the class, like 30? We'll start. I mean, like this is like which to mock. We'll solve these questions one by one. Okay. And we will discuss some important concepts also. Coming to the first question. The data from a frame is shown in table M1. What is the sample covariance of the data? So what is sample covariance? And what is covariance? These are two different things. Can anyone tell me the formula for covariance?
Sir, xi minus x bar into y minus y minus y bar by n minus 1.
I asked about
Not n minus 1.
no. Xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar divided by n for population. Remember this. If someone said
Y should not
population,
be conventional.
it is n. And if someone said sample, it is the sigma xi minus x bar yi minus y bar divided by n minus 1. Remember this carefully. The only difference between sample and population is n and n minus 1. This is the only difference. This is the difference. So let's move on to the question. In question, what did he ask? Sample covariance. So we have to use this formula. So let's solve. First step is like find the mean of x. You can take anything like this is as variable x and this is as variable y, or we can do vice versa also. It doesn't matter. I'm considering it as x. So what is the mean? X bar equal 12 plus 8 plus 8 plus 10 plus
Hello.
3. Yeah, hello.
Is this for quiz 2?
Yeah, quiz 2, yeah.
So this sample variance and covariance, is this in quiz 2 coming?
Yeah, I'm like, yeah, there might be a possibility, okay?
Okay.
And what is the n value? What are the number of observations?
It's 10 and 13, right? 10 plus 13.
10 plus 10, sorry. And then n equal to 5.
Hello, excuse me.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
So actually, when will our another level of subject starts teaching like max 2 and statistics 2 and Python and that thing?
Can we ask doubts?
Like this is
of
irrelevant.
this assignment?
I mean, like you can contact them, like who is the instructor for maths 2 on stats 2. You can contact
What?
them. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Can we ask practice assignments doubt?
Yeah. After solving all this, if there is still some time left, you can go through that. Okay. Most probably all the concepts for quiz 2 are covered in this 15 questions. So, I mean, like you can easily get through this. Okay. All the routes.
So is this previous year questions?
There are some previous year questions, but not all are the previous year questions. These are just like questions prepared. Some are new questions and some are previous year questions. Okay. And coming to the mean,
Yeah, got it.
20, 28, 38, 38 plus 13. By 5 is approximately 10.2. Coming to the mean of y bar is equal to 14 plus 11 plus 10 plus 9 plus 11 divided by 5. 14, 14 plus 11, 25, 35. 35 plus 20, 55 divided by 5 equal to 11. Okay. Now we can draw a table like similar like this. X, Y is like 12, 14, 8, 11, 8, 10, 10, 9, and 13, and 11. So next thing is like calculate this xi minus x bar. What is this xi minus x bar? Xi minus 10 point. Okay. Just that means 12 minus 10.2. Because this is like 1.8. 12 minus 10.2. 8 minus 10.2. 8 minus 10.2. 10 minus 10.2. 13 minus 10.2. That equals 1.8 minus 2.2 minus 2.2 minus 0.2. And then 2.8.
Why?
And then coming to the same thing, ya minus y bar.
11.
You can directly
Sir,
solve.
I have
See,
recently joined this meeting. What happened right now, sir?
we're solving the first mock question. Okay. Which to mock first?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Ya minus y bar. Same. 3, 0. 11 minus 12. Do this also. 14 minus 11. 11
After
minus
this
11.
session, can I get the video of
10.
this session?
Yeah. There is YouTube link now. It is sharing live. 9 minus 11.
Can I get
11 minus
PDF of this session, sir?
Yeah, you can get. No issue. And it is equal to 3, 0,
0
minus 1,
minus 1
minus 2,
minus 2
0.
0.
Then coming
It's
to, we
13
have to
minus.
multiply these two, not 6. We have to multiply these two. Xi minus x bar into ya minus y bar. 3 into 1.8. What is the value of 3 into 1.8?
5.8.
5.4.
5.4.
0 into 2.2, 0. It is 2.2. It is 0.4. It is 0. Agree? Now add all this. Okay. Are you able to follow this?
8.0, right?
8.0. Yeah. 8.0. Okay. Now, so we got sigma xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar equal to 8. So sample covariance variance is equal to sigma x minus x bar into yi minus y bar divided by n minus 1 equal to 8 divided by 5 minus 1. So 8
Light
divided
one,
by
madam.
4 that equal to 2.
Light
Okay,
one,
clear
madam.
everyone? Hello?
Yes, okay.
Yeah. We'll move on
Light
to the
one,
second
madam.
question. Look, this second question
ಇದನ್ನ
is
ಹಚ್ಚು.
like
ನೀ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಹಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಬಂದ್ ನೋಡಿ ಬ್ಯಾಸ್
yeah. We'll move on to the second question. In a college of 100 students, in the first year, a survey is done to know how many of them have willing to play chess. Showing this is a gender-wise data, gender-wise distribution, male and female. Oh, have you observed this? What is this table known as? Hello?
It's a
Contingency
contingency.
table.
Yeah, contingency table. So they have given the contingency table. First, we have to find like row total and column total. We'll make this male plus no female, then 15, 15, 40, 15. Coming to row total. Coming to row total. What is the row total? 50 plus 15 plus 40? 55. 15 plus 50 is 30. Column total 30, 55. What is the total? Total number of students are like 85. But they gave 100. There is some mistake. Clear everyone? And then next thing, just check the. Now the question is like
ಈಗ
which of the following statement is or are true? First option is approximately 50% of the students who are willing to play chess are male. No total number of male. I mean like listen this carefully. Like 50% of the students who are willing to play chess. What are the total number of students who are willing to play chess?
30.
30, sir.
30. Total number of students willing to play chess is equal to 30. Now, what is the male percentage? Let's see the male. Male willing to play chess.
Sorry,
15 by 82.
That is equal to 15 by 30. That is equal to 0.5. It is percentage. So 0.5 into 100. That is equal to 50%. Okay. Hello? So
Yes,
first
sir.
option is correct.
So true.
And then we will go to the second option. Approximately 27.27% of male are willing to play chess. Here, read this question twice, like read this sentence twice. 27.27% male. So what are the total number of male?
55.
So total male is 55. And how many members are willing to play?
15
How
upon
many?
55 into 100.
Only
200.
15, so yeah, only.
So it is like 27.27%. So even this is correct. Now there is an association between gender and willingness to play. Now how will you check association? How will you check association?
By row relative frequency.
Yeah. Check. Association. Row or column relative frequency. Now let's find a row relative frequency. Row relative frequency. Male plus no. Female. What is the total here? Here it is total is 55. So it is like 15 by 55. Look at this, 15 divided by 55. And then 40 divided by 55. Agree? Hello?
40 divided by 55.
And again 15 divided by 30. Here it is 30. Total is 30. 15 divided by 30. And 15 divided by 30.
15.
So it will come around male, female, MF is male, female. 15 divided by 15 is 5.
27.2.
That is like 0.27. And then 15 divided by 30 is like
0.5.
0.5. And 40 divided by 55 0.73 is like 0.5. Look, there is no similarity between row relative frequencies.
Yes, sir.
Then it is association.
Similarity between row relative frequency. So association exists. Agree? Hello?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So option 3 is correct.
Column relative frequency in our
Also
data.
true.
And then finally, there is no association between gender. It is like wise. I mean, like option D can't be correct because option C is correct. Clear, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So if there is a difference,
Yeah.
only their association exists. Huh?
Yeah, they are different. Now, 0.27 is not equal to
Yes,
0.5. 0.73 is not
If
equal to
it-
0.5.
Yes, if they were same in the ratio, it would be not
It won't be
association.
no similarity between. That's why I wrote no similarity.
Right.
Sir, can we use column relative frequency in this?
Yeah, you can use the column frequency also. It won't change the answer, okay? You can use like 15 divided by 30, 15 divided by 30. 0.5, 0.5. 40 divided by
Yes.
55. 40 divided by 50. What is the answer? 73, 0.73. 15 divided by 55, 0.27. Look, they're not matching. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
And then we will move on to the third question. Look, this question is a little bit tricky. All permutations of a word create CREATE without repetition, with or without meaning, are arranged in lexicographic order. Means all the words in the ascending order
Dictionary.
of alphabets. It is like similarly a dictionary order when you search words in a dictionary. Okay, what would be the 121st row? 121st row. No, let's analyze this word create. CREATE. Okay. Now let's order it first. Order it.
A
A C
C E
E
R
E
E R T.
R T. Now let's okay.
Yeah. Sir,
Yeah.
is this topic comes within week 4?
Not in week 4. This topic is like week 6 or week 6 or 7, I think.
Week 6.
Permutation
Week
form.
6.
Isn't this clear?
Then it should not be asked in the reattempt qualifier.
I don't know regarding this. I mean, like reattempt
For
qualifier.
quiz 2.
This is for quiz 2, yeah. Look, no, listen this carefully. First letter is A. So we'll fix the first letter A. And then we'll arrange all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are two repetition words which can be arranged by 5 factorial by 2 factorial. Agree?
2. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
5 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Now, count this. Like, what is the value of 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial?
60.
24.
5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial.
60.
2 factorial, 2 factorial. 4 into 4, 60. Now,
60.
after 60 words, all the words starting with A
C.
ends. Means 61st word.
Yes, sir.
61st word must start with
C.
Next alphabet.
next alphabet. Next alphabet. That is C. Okay. Now we will fix C. We will fill all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
120. It will be 120.
Again, there are 2 E's. So 5 factorial divided by
2
2
factorial.
factorial. That is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2
60.
factorial divided by 2 factorial.
It will be the same 60.
60.
Yes,
Now look
sir.
at this.
It's 120 now.
After 60 plus
Sir, how it is 5
plus
factorial upon 2 factorial?
Look, we have to
There are
arrange
5
5.
words.
Just I will explain. We have to arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to. There are 5 alphabets. What are these alphabets? A, C, E, R, T. Look, if you put 5 here, I mean, like in first position there are 5 possibilities. In second position, whatever you put first, you have to remove this for the second. Only 4 possibilities.
Always
And in the third position, there are only 3 possibilities because you
3.
have already put 2 in the first 2 position, and then 2 and 1. But listen this
1.
carefully. This is 5 factorial. But there is repetition E. So what we will do is like 5 factorial divided by how many numbers,
2
I mean how many
factorial.
alphabets are repeating. We will put that many 2 factorial. Okay.
Okay,
Clear?
sir. Okay, sir. Understand. Yes, sir. Clear.
Just wait. I'm adjusting. Okay. And then 61 plus 60. I put the 121st word must start with next alphabet
E.
after C. What is that? E. Agree? Now, in question, what did they ask? 121st word. So we achieved it, 121st. We achieved here till here, 121st word. 121st word, we know must start with E. And then we can listen this carefully now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now, how will you arrange all these 5?
Ascending order.
Dictionary order simply. Dictionary order, because they gave clearly lexicographic order. So after E, here this will take A, and then this will
AC.
take C, and this will take another E.
E.
And what are the remaining? E and RT. Okay,
RT.
R and T. Okay, clear everyone? So this is
Yes,
the
sir.
final answer. EA C ERT. EA C ERT. Okay, B is correct. Okay, clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
And we'll move on to the fourth question.
Sir,
Yeah.
so what if it had asked for 122nd letter, second word, 122nd
Okay.
word?
Look. 122nd word will be this only. Oh, sorry. Look, 121st word starts with E. Now what happens? Go
Then
to
it
the look.
See.
This is 121st word. 121st word. No, you can't change. Look, E. E is fixed. So you can. What is the possibility of after A?
C, sir.
Hello.
Interchange.
C.
Just interchange that word.
C. And what is the possibility of and C? And what will happen? CA. This will come here. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Hello. And all
Yes,
these last things remain the same. ERT. Are you getting this? Just follow the order. Follow the what is known as this 122nd word. Follow the dictionary order. CA. How will you find the dictionary order? It is very easy. Here AC. Here there is AC. Next possible thing is C. Second is C. And first you have to go here. Like A should come here. Because CA comes first compared to CE. Are you getting the point?
yes, sir.
And then CA. Okay. So CA and all these last things are remain the same. Okay,
Okay,
clear?
sir.
Yes.
Sir?
Yeah.
But how you have calculated 60
60 it is like 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial.
and then 61, it's a E, right?
I'm not getting it. 61?
How you have
It's
calculated
221.
61?
Yeah. Look, 60 after 60, 61st word must start with E. Let me explain. Look, 60 words are like starts with A. The 61st word must start with C. Okay? Hello.
Why? But means I'm not getting that point.
Look. A. Look, there are words, 60 words with A. Now in dictionary, what you will find? A and then B. But in our case, there is no B. There is only C. So if all the 60 words are completed, starts with A are completed, then from 61st word, what is the next alphabet in the dictionary? C. From 61st word, it must start with C. Okay? Hello?
Okay.
Okay,
Clear?
sir, understand.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a question for that. If the question mentioned there are not mentioned in dictionary, then what will be the answer?
Then you can't find.
Okay,
Because there are many possibilities.
okay.
Okay?
Sir, but 121st word, can you please explain
Look.
how it starts from E?
Because C is completed. Next 60 words are C. So after this is C. C has any other 60 words. So from 61st to 60 words, C ends. That means at 121st word, what is the next thing? E. D is not there. So E.
Then E, yes, sir.
E is only possible. Now, how will you fill all these 4? Because I filled in a ascending order or dictionary order. Because EA, look, EA comes first and then EB comes in the dictionary and then EC comes in the dictionary. Okay?
Yes, sir, ascending order.
Yeah. So EA is fixed and then EAC will come and then EACE and R and T. Okay, clear?
Okay, clear.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have doubt in question number 13.
Just wait, we will go in order, okay? Just wait. I'm solving. We'll go in order. Coming to the question number 4. 10 people participated in an online game tournament, out of which 8 participants have at most 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5 stars. So 8 players rating is 8 players. 8 players rating is equal to 3 by 5. The game development company wants to take the opinion from these players about the game environment. In how many ways? Look, there are total 10 players. The total 10 players, and the 8 players are 3 by 5 star.
8 players are rated by 3 star
3
out
by,
of 5.
yeah. And then 2 players are normal players, okay? And then the game company wants to take the opinion from these participants. In how many ways can they choose 5 participants? Look, 5 participants choosing 5 participants without replacement. This is the key. Without replacement, such that at least 3 participants have without replacement, and at least 3 participants must have at most 3 stars. At most 3 stars. Look, listen this carefully. Here he said at least 3 participants should have 3 stars. That means he can select 4. Look, he can select. Company can select. Company can select 3 3-star players or 4 3-star players or all the 5 3-star players. Agree?
Yes, sir.
That means if they select 3 3-star players, 3 3-star, then remaining 2 are normal. In the same way, 4 3-star and 1 normal player, and 5 3-star and 0 normal players. Okay, because we have to select 5 people. We can select 3-star players.
Then
And
3C2 plus 4C1 plus
selecting
5C0.
5 players. Now listen this carefully. Now there are 8. Look at this. I want to change color. Out of 8, we have to select 3. Because there are 8 3 by 5 star players. So 8C3 into, and how many are the remaining? 2 players are normal players. So 2C2. Okay. Are you following? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me the other, like, tell me the other things. This and this.
8C4 into 1.
Into
2C1.
2C1. And what is the next?
8C5.
8C5.
C5 into
2C0.
2C0. Okay. Now add all this. So 8C3 into 2C2, 8C4 into 2C1, 8C5. Right? 8C3 means 8 factorial by 5 factorial. 5 factorial into 3 factorial into
Sir, can you
2C2
explain?
means 1. Yeah. Someone is asking now.
Hello, sir. Can you
Yeah.
explain it again?
Which one? Look, there are 8 3-star players. Look, so out of 8 3-star players, we have to select 3 in the first case. 8C3 into 2C2. And the remaining 2 are normal pairs. So 8C3 into 2C2. Okay? Or should I explain this? How 3, 4, 5 star? Hello?
Sir, it is at most 3-star.
Just wait. Hello, tell me. Hello, someone is asking some about it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can go. Just ask.
It is at most 3-star.
Yeah, at most 3. That means, look, at most 3 stars. At most 3 stars. But at least 3 participants should have highest 3 stars. Look. At least 3 participants means 3 participants should have highest 3 stars, or 4 participants can have highest 3 stars. Okay.
Okay.
At most means it can take also less than 3 stars, no?
Yeah, less than 3 stars, but at least 3 players must have 3 stars, or at least 4 players must have 3 stars. Something like this. Here, look at this. At least 3 participants. Look, at least is for 3 participants. At most is for stars. Means highest stars possible is 3. But at least 3 people must have these highest stars. And at least 4 people must have these highest stars. At least 5 people must have these highest stars. Okay. If at least 3 means.
Got it, sir.
Sir,
In 8 people, there must be at least 3, 4, and 5 people, na, sir?
What? Hello?
In 8 people, there must at least 3 players with 3 or 4 or 5 stars.
Yeah. At least, look, at least 3 players in the first case. If they only consider 3 players as at most 3 stars, highest is 3 stars. And then 4 players, highest is 3 stars. And 5 players, highest is 3 stars. Like something like this. Okay.
And
at
2
most
normal,
means
sir?
highest.
What? At most means highest possible this. It can't go beyond that.
Yes, sir.
And then
And 2 normal, na, sir, in first condition.
I'm not getting you. Hello?
3 players must have 3 stars, and 2 normal, na, sir?
2 normal, yeah. 4 into 2 factorial by 1 factorial into 1 factorial. So 8 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 5 factorial.
Sir, here it is 8 factorial by 3 factorial only. We should have to do 5 factorial also. I got confused.
Look, NCR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. This is the formula. Okay. And
Okay,
NPR means n factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay. So after doing this, 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 3 into 2. 5 factorial get cancelled. 3 2s, 2 4s. What is called 8 into 7. What is the value of 8 into 7?
56.
Yeah, 56. Plus same thing. 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 factorial cancel. 2 will get cancelled. 3 into 2. And here 2 factorial is 2. So 4 into 4 into 7 into 5. It is like 140. And last thing is like 8 factorial. 8 into 7 into 6 into
56.
5 factorial divided by 3 into 2. The 5 factorial. 5 got answered. And then yeah, it is 56 because these two are same. So 56. So what is the final value? $252. Okay. Hello.
Sir, why not 10C 10C5?
Look. 10C5 gives
Yes, sir.
5 players out of whole 10. Whole 10. In
Okay.
these whole 10, there are 8 3-star players and 2 normal players. How can you guarantee that the selected 5 out of selected 5, 3 are from, I mean, like 3-star and 2 are from normal? You can't guarantee now.
Okay.
So you have to do individually. Okay.
Okay.
So when to is NPR?
Okay, just give me a moment. I will tell you. I'm arranging this. Look, whenever you listen the word, you heard the word, you hear the word. This. I'm taking this. Permutation. Permutation is for arrangement. Arrangement. Whenever you hear this, it is like arrangement. I will tell you reason. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5. For suppose there are A, B, C, D, E. First position can take 5. Second position can take 4 values. And third position can take 3. And fourth position can take 2. And fifth position can take 1 value. So 5 into 4 into 1 is like 5 factorial. Okay. Clear? So if you want to, like here it is like permutation. And then whenever you heard this arrangement, it is like permutation. Okay. Whenever you heard selection, then it is combination. Okay. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Now coming to the 5th question. How many numbers can be formed between 999 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, yeah, 10,000. That means there are only 4-digit number possible. Between these, all 4-digit number lie. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Number lie. So, what is the question? With repetition is the major thing with repetition. Such that having at least one of the digits 5. At least one of the digits 5. That means, look at this. It may have one digit as 5, 2 digit as 5, 3 digits as 5, and 4 digits as 5.
Yes.
I need to consider 4 cases. What is the other case? Let us see in the opposite. At least one of the digit is 5. Let us consider no 5s. No 5s in 4-digit number. So total 4-digit numbers minus 4-digit numbers with no 5 in it is equal to 4-digit number with 1 At least 1 5. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Just 1 5. So it is very easy for us. What are the total number of 4-digit number possible? I'm changing the color. 1, 2, 3, 4. First digit can take 9 because we can't include from 0 to 9 is there. There are 10 digits.
Yes, sir.
We can't include 0. Can't include 0 on first digit. First digit. So it is like 10 minus 9. Only 9 are possible. On second digit, 10 are possible. On third digit, 10 are possible. On fourth digit, 10 are possible.
10.
So that equal to 9,000.
9,000.
9,000.
Minus, we'll do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 4 digit with no 5. So here
Digit 8.
we have remember this 8 because
8. Because 0 and 5
and
can
5 are not there. So are not there. Here it is 9. Here it is 9. Here it is 9. Why? 5 is
because
not
5
there.
can't be included.
So minus 8 into what is the 9 cube? 9 cube. That equal to
8 into 7 to 9.
9,000
729.
minus 5832.
Hmm.
The answer 3168. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And find the, look at this. Find the number of words with or without meaning that can be formed from 5. Look at this question. From 5 distinct alphabets, taking 2 or more alphabets at a time. Look, 5 distinct alphabets. 5 distinct alphabets. Find the number of words with or without meaning that can be formed from 5 distinct alphabets, taking 2 or more alphabets at the same time. Taking 2 or more alphabet
Sir, I have a doubt.
at the same time. Yeah.
We can take 2, 3, 4, and 5, not increase by 5 now.
I'm not getting it.
We are taking 2 alphabet, 3 alphabet, 4 alphabet, and 5 alphabet,
Yeah.
not 6.
Yeah, you can't take 6 because 5 distinct alphabets. He clearly gave that.
Yes, sir.
Look, from this you can choose. Look, choosing is in our hand. You can choose 2 alphabet, 3 alphabet, 4 alphabet, and at the last case 5 alphabet.
Sorry to interrupt. What is it? Taking 2 or more alphabet at the same time means what actually? Basically, we'll take 1 by 1, right?
Actually, we'll take 1 by 1, but he's telling that select 2 alphabets. First, select 2 alphabets means, for suppose A, B, C, D, and E. These are distinct. First, select 2, and then leave all these remaining 3.
Okay.
And then arrange these 2. Like arrange these 2. Are you getting the point? If you select A, B, leave all these 2. Like what is the selection of A, B? 5C2. Agree? And arrange
Correct.
these 2. And fix all these 3. Okay. You are fixing 3 and indirectly arranging only these 2. Okay. Are you getting the point?
Yes.
Something like this. Okay. This is indirectly fixing these remaining 1 and arranging only 2. Okay.
These 3 alphabets.
I'm not getting you.
Sir, why are we fixing these 3 remaining alphabets?
Because look, taking 2 or more alphabets at a time. We have to take only 2 or more alphabets at a time. Not like all the alphabets at a time. Are you getting the point? It is, I mean, like Look at this. If you select 2 alphabets, what happened to remaining 3 distinct? There are 5 alphabets.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
suppose example A, B, C, D, E. These are the 5 alphabets. We have only choice to select 2 here in this case. Now, for suppose you select BC, you can only arrange what you have selected. Agree? Hello.
Yes, sir. So these three remaining alphabets, we don't have to arrange them like in any order.
Look. No, not look. What happens? This can be look A, D, E. So we selected what we have done. We selected these two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5C. We selected these two, and we arranged these two. All this.
It means
Hello.
See, I mean, if I
we
rephrase
can
it,
take any two alphabet from this two, na sir. It means you
Yeah.
are saying.
Any two, not like BC. Any two. So 5C2 into 2 factorial. That's all. I mean, like this is like.
So what is
have
the for 2
selected.
factorial? We are arranging the 2 alphabets.
I'm not getting it.
So the 2 factorial is for arranging the 2 alphabets.
These 2 alphabets. Now listen this carefully. What is this? 5 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. That equal to 5 factorial by 3 factorial. What is this? 5p2. Agree?
5p2, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What does this mean? 5p2. Arranging.
We are arranging 2 objects from 5 distinct objects.
2 objects
from 5 distinct objects.
5 distinct objects.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This is what we are doing. Okay. We are only concentrating on 2, not the other 3. Okay.
correct. Mainly that string, what is given, that's what it implies this one.
Yeah.
Right?
Indirectly, it is a permutation through combination. Okay.
Okay.
That is the meaning of this. Okay.
Got it.
We will solve this. Like we already solved the first one, and then we will go for the second. Similarly, like this example.
5p3.
5C3 into 3 factorial. Don't use P directly. So it is like 5p3. So 5C4 into 4 factorial. It is 5p4. 5C5. What is that 5C5? Into 5 factorial. 5p5. Okay. Now we have to add all this. 5p2 plus 5p3 plus 5p4 plus 5p5. What is the value of this? 5 factorial by 3 factorial. 5 into 4 plus 5 into 4 into 3 plus
5.
5 into 4 into 3 into 2 plus 5 factorial. What is the answer? 20 plus 20 plus 60 plus 120 plus 120. 320. Okay.
Yes, sir. 320.
And we will move on to.
I have a doubt. Question is saying that we have to find the number of words. Then why we are taking this 5C2? Because that is we are also considering arrangement.
I'm not getting you. Okay.
It's saying find the number of words with or without meaning. So that means we have to select first 2 words.
Look. Okay.
Why including
A, B, C, D, E. Look, if you select these 2,
yeah.
For suppose these 2, and we have to put in these 5 places like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Arranging like what happens here? Look, arranging of 2 objects in 5 positions, and we will remain all these like we will fix all these 3.
Okay. That means 2 words we have to arrange in 5 places.
Yeah, and remaining places will be fixed by some other remaining words. Okay.
Okay.
Something like.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, here you wrote na 5p2.
Yeah.
So it will be 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1, huh?
5p2 is like 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 2 factorial. That equal to 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial. 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial. That equal to 5 into 4. Okay.
Okay.
Then going to the question number 7. In a bin, there are 45% of the balls are blue. So blue balls is equal to 0.45. While red balls is equal to 0.55. Among all the balls in the bin, 40% of the balls are metallic. So metallic balls is equal to 0.4 and remaining balls are plastic. 0.6 are plastic because 1 minus 0.4. A ball is randomly chosen from bin. Look, we have chosen a ball randomly. What is the probability that ball is blue? Probability that ball is blue and metallic. Metallic, blue and metallic. If out of all metallic balls, blue and metallic, it is like question blue and metallic, and given, listen this careful. This is the important point. Given of all the metallic balls, of all the metallic balls, of all the metallic balls, 60% are red. Red balls are
In that 40%,
0.6. Red balls are 0.6. Look at this. Here it is a condition of all the metallic balls. All the metallic balls having red ball. Look, this is the condition. Metallic balls in the condition are red. So it is 0.6. Okay. Now what did they ask? Like they asked about this ball.
Probability of ball
blue ball.
intersection metallic.
So
Blue
and
ball
means
and intersection.
And look, yeah. Listen this carefully. And means intersection. So they asked red ball. Sorry, blue ball.
Blue ball intersection metallic.
Metallic means M. So we will give you a coding here now. Blue balls. Probability of blue ball. So let B be blue. P of B. B means blue here is equal to 0.45. I'm coming to this red ball. P of R. I'm coming to this metallic P of M. I'm coming to the plastic P of P. Okay. So then it will become, then this will be equal to P of B intersection M. Blue and metallic. Now here P of this will become P of red when conditioned with metallic M is equal to 0.6. Now what we want? We want P of B intersection M that equal to, how can you find this? There is conditional probability theorem. P of B when conditioned with M into P of M. Okay. Now do we have this P of
Yes, sir, 0.4.
blue ball when conditioned with M? Where is that P of blue ball? Look, we didn't have them. We have red when conditioned with M.
Yes,
so
sir.
listen this carefully. From this we can obtain.
So then it will be 1 minus.
Yeah. How can you obtain? Look, all the other balls, look, here metallic are same. So what are look, there are only two balls with this. No, plastic and metallic, and in metallic, red and blue. Okay. So here they have given the metallic red. So we want metallic blue. So 1 minus, that equal to 1 minus 0.6. Okay. That equal to 0.4. Agree? Everyone understood this?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
So it is
Yes,
like
sir.
0.4 into what is the probability of metal? 0.4.
0.5.
That is equal to 0.16. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And then going to the question number 8. What is the probability that a randomly selected participant? Oh, shit. I didn't include. Oh, just wait. I didn't include the question. Like, shit. Yeah. Yeah, I will write the question. No issue. The question is like, like students from 3 colleges, like students from 3 colleges, X, Y, Z, have participated in a
Excuse
competition.
me, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt. Please, can you show the previous question once again?
Question or answer?
Sir, answer. Yeah, thank you.
Students from 3 colleges, X, Y, Z, have participated in a competition where 30% of participants are from college X, 20% from college Y, and 50% from college Z. If 50%, 40%, 60% of participants from colleges X, Y, Z respectively are girls.
Sir,
No answer question number 8 and 9. Like, no answer to question number 8 and 9. Now we will go to the, we will break this data. Like first, students from 3 colleges. There are 3 colleges, X, Y, Z.
Sir, I just joined.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. What are you discussing? So just join.
I'm
Go and
discussing
watch
the
YouTube.
which to mock solutions. Okay.
Discussing the doubts.
And then coming to colleges X and Y.
Sir, will you be
X.
doubts on?
Hello? Hello?
Discussing the doubts also.
I mean, like, if there is some time left, like, then I will discuss. Most probably these questions will cover all the, all the doubts, most probably. There are something at last, if there is some time left, I will discuss doubts. Not now. If you look, there are 3 colleges, X, Y, and Z, participated in a competition. Look, what is the share of, look, where 30% of participants are from college X. 30% is from college X. So now I'm drawing a tree. Just try to understand. 0.3, 30% is 0.3 are from X, and 20% are from college Y, 0.2, and 50% are from Z, 0.5. Now, if 50%, 40, and 60% of the participants are from XYZ are girls, now there are 2 possibilities. There are 30%. Out of this 30%, there are only 2 possibilities: girls and boys, and even GB, girls and boys. Even here, GB. They said 50% of X, like, are girls, 0.5. That means boys is 0.5 and 0.4. 0.4 are girls, 0.6 are boys. Finally, 0.6 are girls, 0.4 are boys. Okay? Boys. Okay? Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we will go to the 8th question. What is the probability that randomly selected participant is a girl? No, we will select it randomly selected. Randomly selected participant is girl. Look, that means listen this carefully. Girl from X plus girl from college Y plus girl from college Z. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now here from a girl, like this is like 0.5 into 0.1. 0.15. Here the other possibility of girl is like here 0.4 into 0.2. 0.08. And the other possibility is like 0.6 into 0.5.
Sir, by doing this, we get total probability of girls, right?
Girl. Yeah.
Okay.
Total possibility. I will tell you other method.
No, this is also fine. It is easy on mind.
Yeah.
Sir, we are multiplying with all the students. Z means all the students. 0.5 means all the students of the college Z.
No. Look. For suppose X total students from X is like total number of participants from X is like 30% of the total students. That is 0.3. Now from X, there are like 50% of girls from X. So total number of girls from X are like 0.3 into 0.5, 0.15. Are you getting this? This is indirectly probability of, listen this carefully, probability of girls from X. Conditioned, they are from X. Okay? This is indirectly. Don't worry, I will explain other method also. Okay? This method is a little bit easy. That's why I explained it first. Okay?
Yes, so this is easy other than.
Yeah. So it is like girl from 0. What is the total? 0.15 plus 0.08 plus 0.3. Total is like 0.53. Now the other method I will explain it. This is like most textbooks should give this one. Look, they ask probability of girl that equal to probability of girl from college X into probability of college X plus probability of girl from college Y into probability of college Y in competition into probability of girl from college Z into probability of college Z. What is the probability of girl from college X? It is like 0.5. Okay, I didn't discriminate. No? It is like 0.5. Should I write this? Look, I am writing it. Four or 2. The probability of gold from college Z equal to 0.6. So 0.5 into probability of X is like 0.3 plus here 0.4 into 0.2. And finally what is the last thing? Hello?
You are audible, sir. You are audible.
Yeah, what is the last thing? Just tell me the multiplication.
0.6 multiplied by 0.5.
0.6 multiplied by
0.5.
0.5. No, you'll get the same thing. 0.15
Sir,
plus 0.08
this
plus 0.53. Yeah. Someone is asking some about it.
this formula is from law of total probability.
Yeah, law of total probability. Yeah.
Okay.
Now we'll move on to the next question. If a girl is randomly selected what is the probability she is from college X? That means P of X when the girl is selected. Hello, are you following this? P of X when given that G is a girl. Now look at this. Now I will explain in two ways how to find this. One is like tree diagram.
Conditional
Tree
probability
diagram.
also.
Yeah. True tree diagram. And then other thing is like formula, like conditional probability. Now first I will tell you how to write this formula, like P of from girl give like P of P of X from girl. Like given that selected is a girl is equal to first P of girl from X, like from college X into P of X divided by, now listen this carefully. Now what are the possibility of girls, total girls? Girls are in college X, college Y and college Z. So P of G by X into P of X plus, this is college X girls, and coming to the college Y girls, G by Y into P of Y plus probability of G when condition from college Z into probability of Z. Okay, are you getting this? Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, okay, we will solve it first and then we will move on to the tree diagram. So G by X, like what is the G by X? 0.5. 0.5 into probability of X. What is the probability of X? 0.3. Probability of X is 0.3. Yeah. Now divided by 0.5 into 0.3 plus 0.4 into 0.2 plus 0.6 into 0.5. So it will be like, what is the answer? 0.15 divided by 0.15 plus 0.08 plus 0.3. The answer would come around 0.28. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Did you? Are you guys following this?
Yes.
Or it is like a Korean drama?
Sir,
No,
I
sir,
have a question
understandable.
here.
Yeah.
In the question of question number 9, they have mentioned that girl from X college, right?
Look, randomly selected. Already they selected a girl. Already selected a girl. That girl is from X college. Okay. Hello.
But
Look.
So what is tree diagram?
Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Someone is asking. Look, listen this carefully. Already they selected a girl. Already they selected a girl. So goal can be from X, Y, and Z. But they are telling that I want a probability that the selected goal is from X. So probability of X when goal is selected. Okay. Given that goal is selected. This is like probability of goal from college X given that goal is selected. Or we pick only goal, like, so that's why it is like probability from X, goal from X. Here, if you observe this formula is like goal from X divided by goal from X plus goal from Y plus goal from Z. Are you getting this? Hello?
yes, got it, sir.
Now with the tree diagram, you will understand better. Like, listen this carefully. Now, let's suppose there are like only 3 possibilities. college X, Y, and Z. What is the, there are like 0.3, 0.2, and 0.5. 30% are from college X. Again, from girl and boy. Here there is possibility of girl and boy. Here Z, there is possibility of girl and boy. So X, how many, what is the percentage of girls? 50%. 50, 40, 60. 0.5 and 0.4 and 0.6. So listen this, that means 0.15 here, 0.08 here, and 0.3 here. Okay? These are the possibility of girls from each column. Now he is telling girl from college X. What is the probability of girl from college X? 0.15. When you select from all the girls, what is the probability of all the girls? 0.15 plus 0.08 plus 0.3. Are you getting this? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand this? This is
Yes,
like probability from X, college X. This is like girls probability from all the colleges. Okay? Because we condition that the selected is girl. Clear everyone? The same thing. It's like 0.28.
Yes, sir.
Whichever
Tree
method you
diagram
follow.
is tree diagram, sorry, easier
Easy,
than
but it is easy, but for some questions, I mean, like you have to understand it well to draw tree diagram. All the questions, I mean, you can't. I mean, like you have to be in practice to draw a tree diagram. Like you have to practice a lot because some questions are tricky. Tree diagram, you will lose something. Okay, that's why you have to learn. You learn all these two. Just use this tree diagram for checking your answer. Okay.
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 And then coming to the 10th question. Like, a machine learning model detects whether the given image is an image of dog or not. There are two possibilities, dog or not dog. It found that given an image of a dog, the model predicts it to be a dog is 19 dog, and it tells yes is like 0.94. 0. Yes and no. Isn't this careful? Yes and no. And not dog, yes and no. It tells 0.95% and 0.05% no. On the other hand, if the image is not actually a dog, it shows the image to be dog 30% of the time. It's not a dog, but it says yes, 0.3, no, 0.7. Suppose an image is randomly selected from a group of 100 images in which 40 are dogs. So probability of dog is like 0.4. 40 divided by 100. Agree? Hello. Hello, are you guys listening?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Given that probability of dog is 0.4 and not dog is 0.6. If the machine learning model predicts it as a dog, listen this carefully. If machine learning is predicted as a dog, predict it as a dog.
Can you explain again?
From the beginning. Okay. Sure. Now listen this carefully. A machine learning model detects. All this. A machine learning model detects whether the given image is a dog or not. So what are the possibilities? Just wait a minute. Now what are the possibilities? There are only two possibilities, dog or not a dog. Agree?
Yes.
Dog or not. It is found that given an image of a dog, the model predicts it to be a dog in 95% of the cases. Look, if it is dog, now there is a prediction. 95%, 0.95%, it says dog. and then remaining percent it's a not a dog.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. No special. 0.05. Now.
Sir, why said 0.05?
Look. The model predicts it to be a dog in 95% of the cases. If you give a dog to the model, it says dog in 95% of the cases. Okay. And then on the other hand, if the image is not actually a dog means bottom case, it shows the image to be a dog 30%. So not a dog, it can show as dog. How much percent? 30%, 0.3. Okay.
So sorry for the interruption. Actually, I was just asking you, this document will be available soon, right? After the call, right?
If you wait, I will upload it into a drive and I will give you a drive link. Okay.
Okay. Thanks.
Wait, okay.
Yeah.
And then dog, not a dog. Oh, you disturbed my flow. My shit. Look. It shows. On the other hand, if the image is not actually a dog, look, it is not actually a dog, but it shows the image to be dog 30%. So not a dog, and it shows dog is like 0.3. Agree? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And then it will show not a dog 0.7%. Agree? 1 minus 0.3. Now listen this carefully. Now the question is, suppose an image is selected from a group of 100 images in which 40 are dogs, then probability of dog equal to 40 by 100. That equal to 0.4. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So here probability of dog is like 0.4 and probability of not a dog is 0.6. Okay, clear everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now if the machine learning model predicts it as dog, given that it predicts probability, machine learning model, ML model predicts it as dog. What is, like predicts as dog, and it is dog. Like not on. Okay, just stop. For better understanding, I will reframe this. Probability that he said the machine learning model predicts it as dog. It is dog. He said it is dog. Predicts the ML model. What is the probability that it is actually a dog? Actually a dog. So it is predicted as dog, and what is the actually dog? P of actual dog divided by dog. Okay. Hello. Clear till now? This is the question.
Yes.
What is the problem?
Yes, sir.
Now look at this carefully. It said it predicts dog. That means this is the possibility, and this is the possibility. But the only actual dog is like this. So actual dog is like 0.95 into 0.4. This is like actual dog divided by 0.95 into 0.4 plus even this is not a dog, and dog is also a dog output 0.6 into 0.3. Are you getting this?
How 0.6 into 0.3? Can you explain?
Look. Good question. Here, he said it is dog. He said the final outcome is dog. So, what are the possible final outcomes as dog? Here, these two are the final outcomes of dog. The pathway is this 0.4 into 0.7 and 0.6 into 0.3. Okay, we have to add it. Clear?
Yes, sir. Got it. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
And
sir.
if you
Easy,
do this,
easy one.
if you do this, what will happen?
Sorry, to one clarification. This 0.4 is basically from the not the 40 by 100, that 0.4, the one which is coming from the prediction, right? The dog.
No. This is like this 0.4 is coming from the data 40 by 100.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Sir, I didn't got that. Can you please once again explain this?
40 by 100 one. Whole thing.
No, sir. This thing, the actual dog, when the result is dog, that result actually.
Look, the actual dog means it is dog and it showed as dog. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is actual dog. 0.95 into 0.4 is showing actual dog. But he said already the selected thing is dog. So what are the possibilities of dog? Here, if it is not a dog, but it showed final outcome as dog. So 0.6 into 0.3 is like dog, like it shows the final outcome as dog. And plus
Okay, means
actual dog.
means the sample space will be the result where the
Yeah. Like all the dogs are possible. Sample space
yes, sir.
is like all the possible
Results when dog is shown.
dogs result at the end. Okay. Even this is the case in here also. They said here look at this college X. They asked college X, but condition they gave girls. So girls from college X plus girls from college Y from girls from college Z. Are you getting this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, division is the whole possibilities. Either it's
simple probability.
Yeah. Clear? Don't worry, I will explain the formula method also. But I want to make you, make you expert in this. That's why if you are uncomfortable with this, there is a formula method also. That's not a big deal. Okay. So final thing is like finally the it is like 0.678, I think. Yeah, 0.678. Clear? Hello?
Yes,
Clear,
sir.
everyone?
Yes.
Now we will go to the formula method. If you practice this more and more, you will understand that both this formula method or this conditional probability and the tree diagram method are same. If you practice more and more. Let us suppose that let A denote result, image predicted by ML model. ML model as dog. That means P of A means P of A means predicted as dog. Agree? Dog by ML model.
Yes.
Now let's B be a even. Actually dog. Actually a dog. The P of B equal to probability actually a dog. Probability of being dog actual. So now they clearly gave that P, listen this carefully, probability of dog, probability of ML, probability of A by B means probability of image predicted as dog given that it is dog. Agree?
Actually dog.
Yes, sir.
So what is the value? 0.95. Yeah, 0.95. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Coming to probability of A and B complement. B complement means the same thing. If it is not a dog, it's equal to 0.3. Are you getting this? Probability of image predicted as dog, given that it is not a dog.
Sir,
Dog
can
means
you please
0.3.
explain probability of A when B is given?
Very simple. Probability of A by B means, isn't this? This is always the bottom is condition.
Sir, I know, but there's a probability of image. How?
Probability of? Hello?
Explain the line. Probability of A
No,
when
no.
B is given.
Look, probability of image predicted as dog. Look, A is predicted as dog. And given that B, it is actually a dog. So if it is actually dog and the probability predicted as a dog is like 0.95. because it is given in the question. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So the probability it is not a dog will be 0.3.
Yeah, not your dog. Look, probability it is not your dog and it is predicted as a dog. Look, probability, I will write it again. P of A by B complement is probability of image predicted yes dog given that image is not dog. So B complement is not a dog. But our ML model predicted it as a dog. So it is clearly when it is not a dog 30% of the time. 0.3. Agree? Hello?
Yes, sir.
No, it is very easy. Probability of B being a dog is like 0.4. 4 by 100. 40 by 100. Okay? So probability of B is equal to 0.4. And coming to probability of B complement is equal to 0.6. Equal to 1 minus 0.4. So finally, what they asked? Probability of P by A. What did they ask? If the machine learning model predicts it is a dog. What is B?
What is B?
Yes, a dog. Probability of being a dog. So B, when it is given that it is actually a dog. So A is actually a dog. Okay. Hello. Are you guys following?
Yes, sir.
So P of A by B to P of B divided by P of A by B into P of B plus P of A by B complement to P of B complement. So we will get the same thing 0.95 into 0.4 divided by 0.95 into 0.4 plus 0.A by B complement is 0.3 into P of B complement is 0.6. Final answer is same 0.678. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Are you able to follow this? Like, did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Well, this is like, look, the only always see the possibilities like A by B and A by B complement. Predicting as dog if it is not a dog. Sorry, predicting as a. I mean, like, what did the question? I mean, like, say it is like ML model as dog. Predicted dog is predicted by ML model if it is actually a dog, and dog is predicted by ML model if it is not a dog. Okay, these are the possible cases.
Yeah.
Possible cases. This is the only case. I mean, like, this is the required case. Required case. What is the required case? Hello, what is the required case?
We
Probability
need to
of
find that actually the dog is. I mean the prediction is
it is
correct.
predicted as dog and it is a dog. That is the actual case. Okay, clear? Just I mean, like,
yes.
If you understand this diagram, it will be very easy. Like, this diagram is a key for everything. Like this tree diagram. And coming to the 11th question, Raju wants to collect your rainwater so that he can use the water from future irrigation. His land is of area 1000 meters square. 1000 meters square. Area of his land is area of land is equal to 1000 meters square. There is a large well of radius of 10. Large well of radius. Well radius is equal to 10 meters What is the probability of water that fell into his land is collected by Roger using the well? So for suppose, let this be 1,000 meters square area. That means 10 into 10 square, for suppose. 1,000 meters square area. And there is a well. Of radius 10 meter. Well of radius. Which is not a case. Okay.
Sir, one side of land will be 100, I guess.
100.
Yeah.
Meters square. Sorry, 100. This is a
It's
10.
1,000 no meters.
Just wait. 100 and 10. Okay. Something like this. Okay. Just for imagination, this is radius 10. Just for, I mean, like this is not a case. Like this is actually not a case because it is crossing the series crossing. 20 means it's crossing the length. Okay. But it is not a case. But yeah, well, just wait. So area of well is equal to pi r square. 3.1427 into r square n square. That equal to 3.1427 into 100. That equal to 314.27 meters square. So probability is equal to area of well divided by area of total
Area of the field.
Area of total land. That equal to 314.27 divided by 1,000. So it is comes around 0.314. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Coming to the 12th question. Look at this question. Like this is a very easy question. Just see, then tell me how you can solve this question.
We'll take B union C as a variable D. P of D will be 0.6.
Yes, sir. And apply the addition rule.
And apply the formula, we get them.
Probability of A union D is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection
Answer will be
B
0.1.
intersection C.
Just tell me the answer. Like,
0.1.
0.5.
So 0.1.
Let us solve this.
The 3 by 10.
0.1, sir.
I will solve it.
3.3.
Here, P of A equal to 0.2 and P of B union C equal to 0.6. Let us take P of B union C as D. So P of D equal to 0.6. Now in this case, they ask P of A intersection B union C. You can write it as P of A intersection B. That is equal to P of A intersection B can be written as P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. Okay, you can write it like this. Now substitute D. P of A plus P of what is D? B union C minus P of A union B union C equal to P of A plus P of B union C minus P of A union B union C. What is the value of P of A? 0.2. What is the value of P of B union C? 0.6.
0.6.
Minus P of A union B union C. 0.7.
0.7.
0.8 minus 0.7 equals 0.1. Okay. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts regarding this? No, now tell me P
No,
of
sir.
A intersection B union C can be written as P of A intersection B intersection C. Agree? Just whenever you find intersection, change the sign in the middle sign. Whenever you find the union, don't change the sign. Okay. Hello.
Can you say again this, please? Once again.
Whenever you find the intersection union, then change it into intersection. Whenever you find the same sign,
Okay.
don't change the sign. Okay. Clear? Hello.
Okay.
Hello, okay.
Yeah. If it is the other way, let's say A union B intersection, this one also we can change it to intersection.
Yeah.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, what would have been there if there was A union B intersection C?
A union B intersection.
Yes, sir.
Same, you can change the sign.
Okay.
So answer will be the same, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, in that case, that A union B union C we would write.
Which case? No, in this case. Only
No,
this
sir,
case.
I'm asking.
Look, I like whenever you get doubt, listen this carefully. You can draw a diagram like A union B intersection C. You're asking this, okay?
Yes,
let's
sir.
suppose A, B, and let's suppose there is C something like this, okay? Just for confirmation. Look, what is B and A, B, C? What is B intersection C?
The whole circle B and C.
This is B intersection C. Agree?
Oh yeah, B intersection.
Yes, sir.
And A union B intersection C. So A union okay, this is the thing. Here now look at this. A union B intersection C something like this. Or you got doubt. A union B union C. Okay, you got doubt like this. Okay, how will you know this? Two possibilities like this can be. Look, U means or, and intersection means and. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What happens when or and meets? Hello.
Yes.
What will happen or and?
No, sir.
Or it will be or.
Are you sure?
Sir, I guess that would be and.
I'm not getting you.
That would be and sir.
Yeah, and it is and. When or and meets, it is and. When or meets, it is or. Just wait. I will check and tell you. Just wait. Just wait for a moment.
Sir, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there. Just wait. Just yeah. Let's look at this. Yeah. Look, A union B intersection B. C can be written as A union B intersection A union C. This is the way how to write like. Hello.
Yes,
From
sir.
this we can draw a
Yes.
graph like. From this we'll obtain the same graph like 3. What is A union? A B C. A union B is this thing. Agree? Hello. A union B. How do you guys agree? This is A
Yes,
union
sir.
B.
Yes, sir.
And then A intersection C. I will draw the under color. A intersection C. What is the common thing? This is the common thing. Where green and this only this part is common. Both are same. Are you getting this? Both are same. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have to check like
I
this.
am not able to understand.
Look, you have to check like this. Look, A union B means take all this A and B. I mean A and B, strike all this A and B. And then intersection A union C means take common from both these. What is the common from both these? This is the common. Only this part is common. Green and this, what is the color? Green and maroon. Where the green and maroon meets is the same thing. A union B intersection C. We'll get the same answers for both. Hello? Still you didn't understand?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Look, it is very easy. Let us suppose A, B, and C. A, B, C. Here, A union B means combine all this A, B. Combine all this A. Okay. And coming to A intersection B. I will take dark blue. A intersection B. A intersection C. Something like this.
A union.
So now intersection. Now A union B intersection A union C means what are the common where blue and maroon mix.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Blue and maroon. So blue and maroon is mixed only in this region.
Yeah.
So it can be solved like this. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You have to check like this. And then coming to the 13th question. In the statistics paper of a qualifier exam, there are 5 multiple choice questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 multiple choice questions. Each has 4 possibilities. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Find the probability that a student will not get all the answers correct. Will not get all the answers correct. Look, there is only one sequence possible. Only one sequence. Listen this carefully. If option A, B, C, D, A is the sequence, the student should get this sequence to get all the 5 correct. So there is only one possible way. But what is the possible ways? Like you can take. Hello.
Sir, can you please provide this PDF after
Yeah,
class?
yeah, I will provide. I will upload drive and I will give you a drive link. Okay, wait till
In
the
which
end of the
section?
class.
In which section, sir?
In chat box, I will give. Don't know if I send
Okay.
it to them. Like it takes tomorrow, I think. If you wait at 8 o'clock, I will stop the session. Most probably there are only two questions
In
at
supplementary
8 or 8.
section. In supplementary section, please upload.
Yeah, they will upload by tomorrow. I think. I don't know if they will upload today or not. If you wait till the end of the class, I will give you. Okay.
Okay.
The drive link so that you can. Look,
Okay,
this is
sir.
the only possible sequence. Only possible sequence for all correct answers. So, but here student can give 4 answers for first question and 4 answers for second question. 4 possibilities. And 4 possibilities for third question. And 4 possibilities for fourth question. 4 possibilities for fifth question. 1 by. This is for correct answer. Correct answer.
So we'll do 1 minus 1 by.
So 4 by 4 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 power 5. That is 1 by 2 power 10. That is equal to 1 by 1024. So this is for correct answer. Probability of.
So can you please explain that
the
part 1/1 4 cross 4?
look, first question has 4 options 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, student can take 4 options. I mean like A or B or C or D. For the second question also there are 4 things. So 4 possibilities. For third question there are 4. So 4. And fourth question and fifth question are 4. So what are the total possibilities? 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 5 questions. That is equal to 4 power 5. So getting all correct. Probability of getting all correct is equal to only one possibility. There is only one sequence divided by 4 power 5. 1 by 2 power 10. 1 by 1024. But in question they ask probability of
Not getting all correct.
not getting all correct. That means 1 minus 1 by 1024.
Complement.
1023 divided by 1024. This is the answer. Okay.
Sir, in the denominator sample space, can't we take like choosing 2 out of 5 plus choosing 3 out of 5 like that?
Look, what happens? Look, what happens, if you taking 1 out of this, you can take, but you are forgetting the arrangement. Look, remember this. If you take selecting 4C1, you are telling 4C1, 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 4C1. You're telling like this. Are you telling
No,
like
sir.
this?
No, sir. I mean to say that in the sample, we can choose the number of correct questions. Like out of 5, we can choose 1 question correct, and
Yeah.
out
Then
of
you have to look. Then you have to do like 1 correct question, 2 correct questions, 3 correct questions, 4 correct questions. Are you getting 0 correct questions?
Yes, sir.
Why? Why you? This is like somewhat tedious now.
Yeah. I just wanted to know that will this work too? Like choosing 5C0, 5C1, 5C2 like
Yeah,
that.
look. It will work, but remember this carefully. You have to arrange also. Look. There are like 5, and you have to select 1, and you have to arrange remaining this 1 correct question. Right? For suppose there are 5 questions. Sorry, here 4C. 5 questions. 5C1. Out of 1 is correct, and there is one. Then what are the other length? For 1, no, this is 5C1.
It can be in 4 factorial way.
And then what is the next thing? I'm forgetting this. There are like four things. There are other 4 questions. What are the
Yes,
other
sir.
4 questions?
So
Those
they
are
are
wrong.
incorrect. Yeah, they are
2 power
incorrect.
4. 4 power 4. Okay, are you getting this?
Okay.
You
Yes,
can
sir.
add like
Understood.
this, but don't forget this 4 power 4 because it will,
Yes, sir. This would be very tedious.
yeah.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Coming to the 14th question. In a family, 4 boys and 4 girls are there. In how many ways the seating arrangement can be made in rows of 8 seats such that no 2 boys and no 2 girls should sit together? Look, there are 8 like, so no 2 boys and no 2 girls should sit together like. So what I will do, like, first I will select boys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boys, 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 boys. Now there are like 5 blocks. One, two, three, 4, 5. Now in these 5 positions, I have to select 4 positions and arrange 4 girls. So selecting 4 positions is like 5C.
5C4.
Okay? And arranging 4 girls is like 4
4
factorial.
factorial.
Okay? 5C4 into 4 factorial. Now there are boys. We can arrange boys also. There are boys. We can arrange boys also.
In 4 factorial ways.
So arranging boys.
4 factorial.
So total is like 5C4 into 4 factorial into 4 factorial. 5 into 4 factorial whole square. What is the
So
answer?
where do we know there is a plus or cross?
Look. This is very simple. Whenever you are arranging, like, look, whenever you are arranging the positions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have to multiply the, what do you say, for suppose, just try to feel this, like I will explain. 5 factorial into 4 factorial. You are clear till now? Till here? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now let this be B1, B2, B3, B4. Now listen this, B1, B2, B3, B4. Now you can rearrange this. Whenever you are rearranging, you have to multiply. Okay, you can rearrange all these 4. Okay, then you have to multiply. This is known as multiplication rule. Okay, when you are not rearranging, you are taking the separate set, like separate set in the sense. That is the best example. Look. Now we have to select these 2, only 2 things from here. Then B1 and B2 will become one set, B2 and B3 will become one set, and B3 and B4 will become one set. Are you getting this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Or just I will take the same example in the previous question. What is this? Look. In this case, listen this carefully. In this case, you can select 2 alphabets. You can select 3 alphabets, 4 alphabets, 5 alphabets. It is completely different. So at that time, you will make plus. If you are arranging in one case, you have to multiply. Okay. Hello. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Did I clear your
Yes,
doubt?
sir, clear. Yes.
Sir, please tell me last one what you have there.
Okay. What? Hello. Hello. Can you repeat your question?
Sir, can you repeat what you have taught last?
Look, listen this carefully. Here there are separate cases for 2 alphabet, 3 alphabet, 4 alphabet, and 5 alphabet. When there is separate cases, we have to add. When there is a arranging in single case, look, we are multiplying here with 2 factorial because in this single case we are arranging these 2 alphabets. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
That's the main, I mean, like, that's the major difference between adding and multiplication. And coming to this question, This question 5 into 4 factorial whole square. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 whole square. 5 into 24 whole square. Equal to 2880. Make note, but I think the answer here is wrong in the mock PDF. It is wrong. The mock PDF solution, it is wrong, I think, because they gave it as 1152. Hello, yeah.
So can you explain the question of tutorial 7 from week 7, please?
Just wait. There is one question left. Hello. We'll go to. Everyone understood this question? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We'll go
Sir,
to the last question.
hello, sir.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello, sir. Can you please explain it again, sir?
Yes, sir, please.
This question.
Look, there are like, we will first fix the position of 4 boys. Like we will arrange 4 boys, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then there are 5 gaps. Gap number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these 5 gaps, you have to select 4 positions for 4 girls. So selecting 4 from 5, selecting 4 positions or 5 positions is 5C4, and arranging the 4 girls is like 4 factorial. Now there are boys also. Boys can also be arranged. So we have to multiply the 4 factorial. 5C4 into 4 factorial and into 4 factorial. Okay.
But sir, we have
total 8 seats we have.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Look, 8
How
seats
it
you
is
have.
happens, sir? 5 seats are blank and 4 are boys. Total 9.
No, not 9. Look, okay, good question. Now you'll get nice question. Just wait. Look, boys. No, let us suppose there is a case. Now, girl is 5. We can start this girl. Change color. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Agree? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Girl, boy. Agree? Now, if you start with girl, if you start with boy, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl. Agree? Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Listen this. Indirectly, by selecting these 5 positions, by selecting 4 positions out of 5, you're getting 2 orders in which girl will be the first and boy will be the first. Okay. Are you getting the point? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So you're covering these both possibilities. That's the reason why. That's the reason why you're selecting these 5. Did you get it, or should I explain it further?
So please explain again because I'm unable to understand this point.
Sir, why you are not again considering boy first, sir? You are keeping one gap, then you are considering boy. You're not considering like the girl in the first position, sir?
You can look. There can look. This is one sequence and this is one sequence. If I only consider 1, 2, boy, girl. Look, you're telling I should only consider 4 things. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're telling that you're complaining about this. I am considering 5 positions. That's the question. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now look at this. Okay, we will consider the 4 positions only. Okay, for suppose, what are the possibilities? 1, 2, 3, 4. Arranging this 4 factorial into 4 factorial. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now some clever fellow come and says, no, I don't like. Okay, you said boy, 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 boy. Now I will arrange girl, girl, girl first. Then you have to consider again 4 factorial into 4 factorial. Okay? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Clear till now? Now
Yes.
some other fellow come and said you that okay, I need B1. Let B1, B2, B3, B4. Okay. B1 here, B1 is first. Some other fellow said I need B2 at a starting point. Hello. Okay. This is okay. Let's suppose. Clear till now? 4 factorial into 4 factorial. If we add both these, what will happen? 2 into 4 factorial into 4 factorial. Okay, you are telling this is the answer.
Yes, sir.
You're telling this. No,
Yes,
listen
sir.
this carefully.
Yes, sir.
No, listen this carefully. What will happen is that, look, you can, why you are considering only here? Now you can consider G first blank. Why you are considering only last position? Even first position can be blank. Good. Sorry, good, blank, good, blank, good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Agree? Even first position can be blank. Even first position for boy can be blank. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Why are you only considering last position? Even first position can be blank. And now there is other case. This is the final case. Good. Where is the final case? There is final. First position blank. Second first position. There will be one other position. Just I try to find just wait. Yeah, hello. Hello. Hello, tell me. There will be one position, one such position. I'm unable to get it.
Sir.
But there will. Hello, yeah.
Yeah, a first position blank, it means the first position is boy. It will be boy.
Yeah, it will be boy. You have to put boy only. It will be girl.
Then the same thing you have said
No.
earlier also. No?
Hello, what?
The
Okay,
same
you are
thing
telling
you have written
same.
in earlier.
Busy will repeat the same thing. You're telling like this. Look, listen this carefully. You're right. The busy will repeat. But the row will not be the same now. Look at this. First, B1, G1, B2, G2, B3, G3, B4, G4. Let this be. No, you are leaving this position and you are telling G1, B1, G2, B2, G3, B3, G4, B5. Sorry, B4. You are leaving this gap. It is same. But the choice is, you have the choice to choose the direction, whether to start from here or to start from here. Are you getting this? You have to, you can choose 5 positions, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can choose 4. Out of 5, you can choose 4 positions. Any 4 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can also choose 1 boy, 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 boy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can choose any 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can choose this or boy, boy, boy. Boy. You can choose the other thing, other 4, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Just stop. What is the question? Just stop. No 2 boys and no 2 girls. Okay, hello. Just sorry for the disturbance. Sorry. There is small mistake here. No 2 boys and no 2 girls. They said, okay, just wait. There is small mistake. Hello. Just stop. This is wrong. Like just wait.
Sir, there is only 8 seats.
Yeah, just you're right. Yeah, just stop. Yeah. Look what happened with the previous example is like, look, just sorry for that. I didn't read the question there. Look, B1, B2, B3, B4. There are 5 blanks, I agree. Now, if you select 4 out of 5, 5 C 4, what will happen? For let us suppose 1, you selected this, you selected this, and you selected this, and you selected this. What will happen? These two will be side by side. Hello.
Yes.
But in question they said no 2 boys and no 2 girls will be, I mean, like, will be there. So what you have to do? The only possible, like 2, 3, 4. B1, B2, B3, B4. So you have to fill these like girls 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can fill the girls in this direction also. B1, B2, B4. So these two are the possibilities. So 2 into 4 factorial into 4 factorial. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sorry for this. I didn't read the question well. Okay. Then it is like 4 factorial square. One 152. Okay. Hello. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If they give something like only girls, then you have to follow that. Okay. Yeah. And we will go to the final question.
Sir, can you please provide PDF in the chat box?
Yeah, I will provide this. Suppose box A contains 6 red and 8 black. Box A contains 6 red and 8 black box. And box B contains 5 red and 4 black. A ball is chosen random from box A, and placed in box B. From box A to placed in box B. Now a ball is chosen random from box B. What is the conditional probability that a black ball was transferred from A to box B, given that the probability that black ball transferred from A to B, given the ball chosen from box B is red. Ball chosen from B is red. Okay, this is the question. Like, I on this carefully. There are like, hello, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We are listening you, sir.
Yeah. How will you solve this question? Hello? How will you solve the question? Look, black ball transferred from A to B. This is the first thing. Look, for suppose, what are the two possibilities? What is the probability of black ball? For suppose, let's take P of black ball in A equal to 8 by 14. Agree?
Yes, 8 by 14.
Yes, sir.
Now it transferred to B. Now, for suppose, if it is transferred to B, what will be the probability of black ball?
7 by 13.
What?
No, say made by 14.
So can you please explain the question once again?
Look. If you transfer this one black ball here, that means black ball should become 5 black and 5 red. Agree?
5
So what is
upon
the
9 is the probability of black ball.
5 by 10?
Yeah.
5 by 10.
Sorry, 5 by
black.
10. 5 by 10, sorry.
Okay. Here, this is the probability of P of black ball
In B.
B, given that
Ball
Black
is
ball
transferred.
is transferred from A to B. Okay, is equal to 5 by 10. Agree? Now, what did he ask? Black ball is transferred from A to B. Ball chosen, box chosen from B is red. Ball box. Ball chosen from box B. Sorry. Ball chosen.
This is also 5 upon 10.
Now here, look at this. Now we have to find like, so to find this probability of like, let this be event A. Black ball transfer from A to B. Let it be a event M. Let it be a event M. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let it be event M. Then what will this become like? Then what will this?
Sir, what is this event here?
Black ball transferring black ball. Transferring black ball from A to B. Okay. Because why I choose it is because there is like, it is easy now. P. Now ball chosen from box B is red. B N. So we have to find P by M divided by N. Are you getting this? Hello. This is M and this is N. Hello.
Yes,
So
sir.
to find P by A by B equal to P by M intersection N divided by Q of N. Agree?
Yes.
No.
Yes, sir.
Let us, I mean, like, let us break this up. M means what? Black ball transfer to A to B, and then ball chosen from box is red. That means these two are independent events. Are you getting this? These two are independent events. So you can write P of M into P of N. Agree? Look,
Yes.
first of all, we have to
How
transfer
it
this
is
ball.
But N is not independent.
What?
Choosing red ball is not independent, as if the black ball is added, then the probability of choosing red ball will increase. I mean, decrease.
Look, listen this carefully. Look, what is happening here is that, look, what is N? Ball chosen from box B is red. It is red. Already they said it is red. Hello. So these two are like, you can clearly say that probability of B into probability of black into probability of red. These two are independent. How they are independent means, just they already fixed that they have chosen red. Hello. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir. But if they have chosen red and a red ball was transferred from box
red ball,
A.
look, red ball is not transferred because
No, sir.
look,
I am just saying.
Then it is
that
not
it's
independent. Then it is
not
not independent. Okay. Then it is not independent. You are right. Then it is not independent. But in this case, isn't this careful? In this case, look, what does this mean? Black ball transferred, black ball transferred, and red ball picked. And red ball picked. Agree? Hello. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Intersection is Anna. So, and red ball picked. Clear here?
Got it, sir.
Since it is conditioned, that's why we have taken that it is independent. No?
Yeah, it is independent, something like this. Yeah. Just wait. P of m, and then it will become P of m is like, what is the P of m? 8 by 14. Just wait a moment. Just wait. So this can be just stop. This can be written as P of, like, what is m? Taking black ball and then picking R ball. Agree? Hello. Taking black and picking red ball. It can be written as P of BR and then P of N. Now listen this carefully. Why I wrote it like this is like, look, P of BR is like, just I will draw this carefully. Here a box contains, I will draw a tree diagram, just wait.
Yes, a
Box
tree
A,
diagram is easy.
box A, 6 red, 8 black, and coming to box B, that is like 5 red, 4 black. Now listen this carefully. Now they said black ball transferred from A to B. Black ball is transferred from A to B. Black ball is transferred from A to B. Black ball is transferred from A to B. That means it becomes 5. 5. Okay.
And in box A, the black ball become 7.
Ball chosen from box B is red. They also said ball chosen from black box is red. Ball chosen from black box is red. Okay. So what is the probability of red in box B 5 by 10? Okay.
Can you just show the question, please?
Yeah, here is the question.
Sir, I guess the answer will be 0.53, isn't it?
Just I need to solve it. I don't have answer here.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I just joined, so there was lots of confusions. Could you just say what did you discuss in the entire class, sir?
The whole like mock, quiz
Only
to
the
mock.
marks, sir.
Yeah, quiz to mock. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, only the mock. And then 5 by 10. Listen this carefully, no? He also said that the probability of being black ball from 8 by 14. Okay? No, he clearly said that ball chosen from box B is red. What is the other possibility?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
How the probability of chosen ball from box A is 8 by 14? It becomes 7 by 13
No.
because one black ball is.
Look, listen this carefully. What happens is that first of all, the probability of choosing ball, I mean like black ball from A is like 8 by 14. And then it is transferred to B. Now you didn't go to, I mean like you didn't go to this, like what do you say? Then you left A. For suppose you left A and you concentrate only on B. First of all, the probability is 8 by 14. Agree? Hello.
Yes, sir, I agree, sir.
That's the important thing. No, clearly look at this. This is a little bit tricky. So, what is the other possibility? That red ball can go to here. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Red ball can go to here. So, probability of red ball is like 6 by 14 here. If red ball goes here, what will become? 6 by?
Then it will be 6 by 10.
Okay. Now look. Now what is the question?
I am not getting it.
Just wait, you will get it now. Probability of, the question is probability of black ball transfer from A to B, given that red ball chosen from B. Agree? When will you choose the red ball? For suppose there are two cases. Choose black ball. Listen this carefully. Black ball from A to B and red ball from B. And other case is like the second case. This is case one. The second case is like red ball from A to B and black ball from B. Agree? Are you able to get
No,
this?
sir. Second case will be red ball from A to B and red ball from B, I guess.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, red ball. Red ball. Red ball from B. Yeah. Important. Now, black ball is transferred from A to B. Now, listen this carefully.
We are
So,
checking the case for red
your
ball chosen from B.
red ball. Hello? Hello, can I ask your question again? Hello?
So we are checking the case where red ball is taken from B.
Yeah, red ball. Look. Yeah, checking the what is the possibilities that red ball can be taken from B. I'm checking this only this. Okay, I'm checking only this.
Yes.
This is the conditions. Okay. Now the good. I'm like you have to check this black ball transfer from A to B. No, black ball transfer from A to B. That means black ball transfer from A to B and red ball from B. Is this case like? This is the case what we need. Case one is what we need. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Hello? So, black ball from A to B. What is the probability from black ball from A to B? It is like 8 by 14.
Yes.
Black ball and 8 by 14 into red ball from B. What is the red ball from B? 5 by 10. Divided by the same thing. The total probability is like 8 by 14 into 5 by 10 plus the other possibility is red ball from A to B. What is the probability of red ball from A to B? 8 by 14, not 8 by 14, 6 by 14.
6 by 4.
6 by 14 into. Now,
By
if
10.
the red ball is transferred here, so what will it become? 6 by 10.
Yes.
Okay? So, this is the total.
So can you just scroll up a minute? For a minute. So no, sir, the options.
Okay. This.
So various, yes, sir. So, sir, in the numerator, what are we multiplying, sir?
Which one? Is a numerator. Okay, just look. You have to draw two separate tree diagrams for this. Just I will explain you clearly. If you want tree diagram, just wait. If red is first case, like if black ball transfer, black ball transfer. This is 6 by 14. If black ball transfer means it will become 5 black, 5 by 10. Okay. If red ball transfer, A, B, 6 red ball, 8 black ball. So here it is 8 by 14. If red ball is transferred, it is like 6 by 14 first. And then five red. Then this will become 4 black. 4 black. Now if red ball is getting transferred, it will become 5 plus 1, 6. So total equal to 6 by 10. Agree? Hello.
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now listen this carefully. So they said red ball is chosen from B. red ball is chosen from B. Look, red ball choosing is like two different things. One, if black ball is transferred and red ball is chosen. In this case, 8 by 14 into 5 by 10. And the other case is if red ball is transferred and black ball is chosen. In this case, 6 by 14 into 6 by 10. Okay, clear? Clear these two cases?
Yes, sir.
I'm very sorry, so could you just repeat it because I had a doubt even from the beginning.
Okay, just wait.
So could you just show the initial numbers? Sir?
Just see the question. I will start explaining from beginning. Okay, no issue.
Yes, sir, got it.
Yeah, look. A has six red balls and 8 black balls, and B has other than 6 and 8. B has 5 red balls, 4 blue balls, black balls. Sorry, 4 black balls. Now listen this carefully. Now they said they asked us this. They asked us this. They asked us this. Listen this carefully. They asked us this. Black ball. P of black ball transferred to A to B by red ball chosen from B. Look, red ball chosen from B. Look at this carefully. Red ball is chosen from B. There are two cases. One, red ball can go to this box B and red ball is chosen. Red ball is chosen. And the other case is like black ball went into this box B and red ball chosen. Okay, agree?
Yes.
Hello. So we wrote. I wrote them as a case 1 and case 2. Black ball from A to B. Black ball from A to B, and red ball chosen from B. Same case 2 is like red ball from A to B and red ball chosen from B. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Hello.
Sir.
Now the next important thing is like this P of black ball transfer to A to B divided by red ball chosen from B. Look, did you observe this? This first thing, like this case 1 is the required case. So it is like required by total. We can say required by total. This is the case 1. What is the case 1? How can we tell case 1? This thing. This is like, what is the case 1? Black ball from A to B. Black ball from A to B. That means what is the black ball thing? Now I will
become 7 black in A and 5 black in B.
Yeah, I will draw a tree diagram. Now you will get a clarity. Six red, 8 black. Then
All questions are done.
5 red, yeah. 5 red, 4 black. First case is like black from here transferred to here. What is the probability of black here? 8 by 14. And transferred to here, like it is like 5 by 10.
5 by 10.
So record is 8 by 14 into 5 by 10. So it is also case 1 is 8 by 14 into 5 by 10 total. Plus the other case. If you see the other case, it is like 6 red. This is 4 plus 1. And 8 black and 5 red, 4 black. Now red is
8 by 14 or 7 by 14, sir, because after one ball is transferred.
No. First you have to consider while there is 8, we are transferring it. We don't know whether red ball transfer or blue ball transfer. Okay. So we have to consider 8, not 7. Okay. After that, if you take the second chance, if you want to pick second time, then it will be 7 by 14. Okay, and then here it will be like 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6 by 10. Okay. Hello, are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
here, under this red ball from A to B. What is the red? 6 by 14. This is case 1. This is case 2. Finally, it is like 6 by 14 into 6 by 10. Equal to 40 by 140. 40 by 140 plus 36 by 140. 40 divided by 76. What is the value?
We are just
0.5%.
comparing the initial numbers in A into the multiplying by the final number in B, sir.
Yeah, final number is B. Similarly like that, but this can be understood by this. If you want formula, something like this, look at this formula. Like we look, I have discussed here M and then some notation. I think where is this? I have discussed this M and then notation. Just copy this. This is carefully. Here it is like M intersection N means what is M? What did I take as M? Black ball transferred to A to B. Black ball from A to B. And N, what is N?
Choose red ball from B.
Choose red ball from B. Choose red ball from B. Isn't this carefully? Then this is your order. BR means order. So choosing black ball. What is the problem of choosing black ball? Eight by 14. 8 by 14 into, and then red ball. Red ball is like 5 by 10. Okay. Are you getting this? If you use this, it is like an order, black and red. Choosing black and red, similarly like that, black and red. Black from A to B and red. And then given to what is the P of n? Total probability. 8 by 14 into 5 by 10. The total probability can be written as, for simple words, total probability can be written as P of, what is total probability? Red and red.
Sir, total probability will be, just to clarify, sir, the transferring of black balls from A to B into choosing red ball from B.
Yeah.
And red balls from A to B and choosing red ball from B.
Yeah. And then this is red and red. Red from A, red from A to B, and then red from B. And similar to this, black from A to B and red from B. Okay. Are you getting this? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Or in other words, you can take P of B B divided by R into P of R divided by P of R divided by R into P of R plus P of B divided by R into P of R. This is a condition over R red. Everywhere it is like condition over red. That's why I removed it. Okay. Hello. Are you able to get this?
Yes, sir.
It was really a very confusing question because here 2 options were given. We don't know.
Hello. Just wait. What is your question? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm unable to hear your question. Someone is telling something. Hello.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
here we have taken two cases because here we don't know that which red is transferring or black is transferring. That's why.
Yeah, that's why we take the two cases. Okay, that's why you
Also,
can't see. I
really,
mean, like you can't draw this. You can't draw the single tree diagram also. You have to
sir,
take two cases. That's why you can't draw single tree diagram. You have to draw two tree diagrams. Hello.
Sir, our
it was
questions
a
are done.
really confusing question.
Yeah, this is a little bit confusing, but by practice you will get to know. Okay. Hello.
Okay,
Any
sir.
other doubts? Any other doubts regarding this question?
No, sir. Sir, please provide PDF link.
Yeah, just I'm doing it now.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Yeah.
Sir, I have doubt in GA5 3MQ.
Actually, it is already 8:45.
Sir,
Can
for
use
tomorrow's quiz to what do we have to revise now, sir? Like,
most probably this from week 4. After week 4, the most you'll get the most questions. There will be 1 or 2 questions from week 1 to 4. Okay.
okay, sir. So the videos and practice assignment, grade assignment, mock, those will be sufficient, sir.
Those will be sufficient.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just wait. If you need PDF, just wait for 2 minutes. I'll send you the just now.
Can I ask doubt from practice assignment?
It's already high time, like 8:47.
Will it be possible to clear one doubt, sir?
If it is small, like if it is small doubt, I will try.
Does she have two doubts, sir? Will it be possible? So practice assignment 6. Question 2 and 4, sir.
Just wait for a moment. What is the question? Hello? Hello?
It's a practice assignment 6. Questions 2 and 4, sir. Sir, and for tomorrow's quiz, like it's enough to read read or go through the lectures, do the practice assignments. So do we have to solve any extra books?
No, like questions is enough. Like
Okay.
Yeah, I sent you the drive link. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Just wait. I send it to everyone now. Okay. What is the question like? Someone asking. Practice assignment. Hello.
Sir?
Hello. Someone asking some question.
Sir, can you please take one question?
Oh, what is the question? Like, if it is small, I will take.
Sir,
I had
sir,
asked practice
G5
assignment 6,
EMQ.
question 2 and 4.
Practice assignment.
6,
Sir,
question 2 and 4.
G5 EMQ.
EMQ questions are, take
No,
some
the
time.
practice assignment 6, question 2 and 4, sir. Like, no need to solve, sir. Just the explanation will be good.
Practice assignment 6.
Question 2 and 4.
Wait it slowly. Question 2 and 4. There is a class. What is this question? Look, there are 30 students in a class. That's the question.
Sir,
No,
question
sir.
number 4,
Hello?
G5 EMQ.
No, sir.
What is this then? Practice assignment 6.
Shall we share it, sir?
Hello?
Shall I share the question, sir?
No, I can't give. Can't give you the access.
Okay, sir. The question is, 8 girls are playing a game during which they decided to sit around in 2 concentric circles as shown in figure. 4 out of them will sit on the inner circle and the remaining 4 will sit on the outer circle. In how many ways can they occupy their places if Priya, who is the game master, has to sit in the outer circle? Sir?
Week 6. It is week 6.
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Practice assignment week 6.
EMQ.
No, sir. The
Graded assignment.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Sir, week 5 question list denga.
Week 5. Just what is the question?
Sir, question number 4 of GA5 EMQ.
Okay. EMQ. Your EMQ questions take something. Okay. You have
Yes,
to.
what, sir?
EMQ questions take a lot of time. Like, okay. Just. Okay, I'm closing the session. Like, there is week 6. Is this week 6 question is from practice assignment? Are you sure? Hello?
Sir, actually the questions keep changing, sir. So I think.
Okay, then you can do one thing. Just take a screenshot and send it. Like use Discord or send it to me. I'll answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This time sending the mail ID in chat box.
Sir.
Yeah.
And also, like now at 8:30, there's supposed to be a math session, sir. But the class hasn't started yet.
Math session.
Yes, sir. TA session. Could you please inform, sir? Because there is
Okay.
quiz tomorrow, it'll be nice if we could clear our doubts.
Max 1.
Yes, sir. Maths 1.
Just I'll inform you. This is my email ID. You can send the mail to that.
Yes.
Or use the Discord. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Bye, everyone.
Sir.
Yeah, hello.
Sir, can you clear another doubt, sir?
What is that?
So, practice assignment week 8. Question 2, sir.
Among the customers who buy Samsung phones. Is that the question?
Sir, I think the question is changed, sir. I will send you the screenshot of it.
Okay, just send me the screenshot.
Sir, and one last, sir. Graded assignment week 5.
Graded assignment week 5. Just yeah.
Question 9,
Graded
sir.
question
9.
Adam wrote down.
Yes, sir, this one.
Just stop. I will start sharing my screen. Adam wrote 13-digit university roll number on piece of paper on his way. Look, Adam wrote down a 13-digit roll number. 13-digit roll number. digit on a paper on his way home from the office. It rained heavily and the paper got wet. Later, he saw that the first 3 digits of the roll number had disappeared. First 3 digits disappeared, and all the remaining 10 digits are there. In how many ways can Adam complete the university roll number if repetition is allowed? It is very easy. Like, look, first or in the question they didn't give. I mean, like any what is this? Any condition like 0 can't be the first thing or 1 can't be the. I mean, like only the alphabets is possible.
It has to be only 10 into 10, 10 square.
Yeah, 10 into 10 into 10. That is 10 cube. Okay.
Okay, sir, and one more last doubt, sir. Graded assignment 6, question 6. Last one.
Graded assignment 6. Graded assignment, there are 2 parts. Oh, graded assignment 6. Question 6.
Part 1, sir, not TMQ.
6. How many 25-digit numbers can be formed such that they read the same way from either side? Look, listen this carefully now. 25, 1, 2. I don't want to take 25. Let's take 7-digit number. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's take 7-digit number. Now you can select middle number. Agree? Hello. Middle number can be 1, 0 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Agree? Are you able to agree this?
Yes, sir.
Middle number can be this. I mean, like you can start from 0. How many 25-digit numbers can be formed such that they read in the same? Now look, if whatever you fix here, you have to fix this side of the same thing. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So here 10 are possible. 10 into 10 into 10. So 10 cube in this way. 10 cube.
So that one I understood, sir. After that, because 25 means 10 power 12. What about the middle numbers?
Look, it is very look. Middle number can take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are like 10 possibilities, but in answer, just wait.
Sir, can you tell quickly question number 4 of graded assignment?
Ten power 12 into. Look, you can select any number like hello. You can select any number from this 10. Agree? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Look, but you can't select this number, the same number. So here only nine digits are possible. Look. No, not suppose 1, 2, 3, 10 into 10. Look, 1, 2,
The first
3.
digit should be of 9 digit. 0 is not possible, right?
Which one?
The first one, 9 digits are possible because 0 is not possible.
Yeah. First 1 to 5 digit number. Yeah, first digit. Yeah, you can 9 into 10 into 10. Okay, yes. Yeah, sorry, yeah. Just wait. 4, yeah. 1, 2, 3. And the fourth one, 1, 2, 3. Now look at this. First digit is 9. And this side you have to put 9.
Yes, sir. So like the digit, if the digit is repeated, it will not look.
Just stop. Just wait for a minute. No, it is correct. Yeah. 10 into 10. Look. And this middle term also takes 10. So 10 cube into 9. And all the digits are like whatever you put here, you have to put the same. That one. So coming to the 1, 2, 3. In 25 digits, what is 24 digits? 9 into 10 power 12. Hello. 10 power 12. Agree? Are you getting this?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Yeah.
So
You have to put 1.
the 11th question, second option, sir.
11th question.
11th question is second option.
Second option. And C r equal to 1 for r equal to 0 and r equal to n. Choose the incorrect options for n greater than 2. Greater than 2 for r. Just check. It's not. And r equal to n. Okay, 0. And greater than 2. I think there is a contradiction here. Look. R, he said n is greater than 2, but r equal to 0. He said r equal to 0 and r equal to n. That means n equal to 0, which can't be the case. Hello.
Okay, sir. So
That's
also
it.
the first and the third options are just to be remembered, sir.
No, you can solve that. Look.
So just by taking n factorial, okay, sir, I will do
N
it.
factorial by n minus r factorial. You can just solve it.
Sir, I have a doubt. Can you please solve it?
Which one?
Sir, and also like can you just ask the maths, sir, if possible?
Just maths. Yeah.
Sir, I also have a doubt.
Yeah. Just I will take one last look and we will end this session because it is already 9 o'clock.
Sir, should I tell?
Sir, I see that.
Just tell anyone.
Okay. In how many ways can 6 team members, including a captain and a coach, sit around a circular table when the captain is to sit on one side of the coach and vice captain on the other side?
Like which week is it? 8. Look. Here circular.
Yeah, in a circular table, there are
This
6
is captain. This is vice captain. And this is coach. Look, take these. I will just give you an idea. Take these 3 as one unit.
Okay.
and 1 unit. For suppose there are 16 members now. 16 means 16 minus 6 minus 3 plus 1. That means 6 minus 3. How much is it? 3 plus 1, 4 units. So 3 factorial ways. You can arrange in circular 3 factorial ways, and then you can arrange these 3 pharaohs, vice captain, captain, in 3 factorial ways. This will be the answer. Okay. Hello.
But the sir, vice captain, coach, and these like 3 are fixed, no?
Yeah, 3 are fixed, but you can arrange now. These 3 are fixed, but you can place these 3 fellows in any place now. Here or here. Look, I will explain. These 3 are fixed. I agree. Now I am taking these as unit, and 1, 2, 3. There are 6. Now I can place this whole 3 unit here, or I can place whole 3 unit as here. I can place whole 3 unit here, whole 3 unit here. Agree?
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hello.
Sir, can you give me an idea about the question number 4 of graded assignment?
Week.
Question number 4, graded assignment, week 5.
5.
Sir?
Yes, just stop it slowly. Week 5, question number 4. Jay bought a new car in New York where the license plate can be read.
Sir, week 5, part 2.
Week 5? Part 2 EMQ question. Oh, EMQ takes some time. So like you can use the discourse like for EMQ. I will end this session now. It's already high time, 1 hour. Okay. Thanks everyone. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Sir,
Sir is leave.
we have maths period now.